Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol pages, which is the world's first new AI powered intuitive website builder for local businesses that creates beautiful websites and landing pages for agencies and local businesses in just seconds and make you huge profits every day. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hey, this is Lou Hornberger. In this demo of Pages by ConvertLead, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a page that will give you success in your business or in your client's business with 3 simple steps. First step is to simply choose your template. So here we are in the interface for Pages, and we click on landing pages. We're going to create a landing page for a new dentist office that is opening. So I'm going to here, step 1, choose. Now I've done that, I'm going to paste in my information. Choose my company and save. Now I have chosen, that is step 1. And now we move into the canvas where we can do all of our edits on our page. Now we simply come in and add our content. Set our countdown to our big opening on June 1st. And now we have customized it with our information. Of course, we can change the colors. We can change all of the information here by simply coming in here. And as you click on each one, it will give you options that are relative, congruent with each of the features. You could also add additional ones here. Well, with 2 columns, and it is simple as grabbing it and dragging it. Anywhere that green line shows up is where it's going to appear. And then we save. Page has been saved. We can take a quick preview of it. And there's the page that we've created. It is simple as choose, customize, and then when we publish that, we can profit. You can also export it as a complete zip file with all the images and text and HTML files, which you can then share with a client, upload to a website, or utilize in any way you like. You can preview it on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile format. It automatically adjusts without you having to go in and change things. If you need to, you have the ability to add code, HTML, CSS. You can edit it right here and export it from here. Now you know what? I've changed my mind. I want to give something more powerful here in our invite, which is going to give me a chance to show you one of the coolest features of Pages by ConvertLead, which is our integrated AI content creation. So I'm going to create a prompt here, looking for a headline, and then generate this using the professional tone. Unlock the secret to an unforgettable smile. There we go. So we're going to take this content here, copy it, come over here, and paste it in. Now we have a winning subject. That's how simple it is to use Pages by ConvertLead to create your beautiful page very quickly and to see your business grow.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.